Phoenix Security Services, formerly Brinks Pakistan, was a security company providing alarm systems and security to the Allied Bank of Pakistan, which experienced the biggest robbery in Pakistani history. When we tried speaking to the chairman of Phoenix Security, Mr. Mumtaz Rahim, General Manager Operations Brigadier Muhammad Salim played around with the questions thrown at him and with ease blamed the robbery on the Taliban. Perhaps a robbery committed by Taliban no longer registers as a breach of security anymore, at least as far as the modus operandi of Phoenix Security goes.
CCTO Karachi has clearly stated that there was a security flaw. CCTO. And under their authority.
You already have known that people from Fata and other areas, they are here, and these Taliban, they are getting...
So they weren't Talibans.
But they can have the source anywhere.
We are in the middle of it.
Because you are talking of something which is on technical side. You are not talking something about the guarding service. You are talking about the alarm system and the thing. How do I know about the alarm system? Sir, if you tell me your vault कैसे खुला है, I would not know anything about the vault because it is not within my parameter of knowledge. I am a state soldier who is supposed to know guard कैसे है, उसकी लंबाई चौड़ाई क्या है, वो पढ़ा लिखा है नहीं है, उसको ट्रेनिंग हुई है नहीं हुई है, उसने फायरिंग की है, उसका वेपन ठीक है या नहीं है, उसकी ड्यूटी कितने बजे से शुरू होती है, कितने बजे खत्म होती है, उसकी वेरिफिकेशन हुई है नहीं. This is what is why something.
Sir, I cannot deal with alarm systems.
मैं इसीलिए चाह रहा था to keep away.
The general manager said he was responsible for the guards, not the firm's technical systems. It is very strange for a general manager to claim complete ignorance of the firm's technical operations. The blame game continues for such an unfortunate incident, with no technical person willing to take the responsibility to answer the question about why the monitoring rooms did not detect ABL branch being disconnected. The website of Phoenix clearly states that in case of a disconnection of alarm, signals are received in the monitoring room, which are working round the clock, but maybe at 8 p.m. when the robbery took place was a bit too early for the Phoenix to wake up. When we tried speaking to the technical staff of Phoenix, they were hardly serious about the issue. In fact, the person designated to answer our questions seemed more keen about playing with his fancy gadgets, which incidentally failed to prevent Pakistan's biggest robbery.
Incident.
What incident?
The biggest robbery
In the world.
in Pakistani history.
Achha, sir. That's why your people are very excited.
Excited about it. And plus it's the money of people of Pakistan, and it's the foreign currency that's stolen.
Sure. ये क्या चीज़ है पता आपको? That's good. So you're non-technical guy.
That's the reason that we are here, to ask you some technicalities, because
Let's get somebody technical who knows the technical things.
let's get
So your good name?
Ahmed Jung.
हाँ, Ahmed Jung, जैसे if I start talking with you कि आजकल आलू बड़े महंगे मिल रहे हैं, तो आलू क्यों नहीं मिल रहे हैं, सब्जी कैसे नहीं मिल रही है, तो you will not be able to answer. The question which you are asking from me is I'm unable to answer that.
He also seemed less interested in the robbery and more concerned about the price of potatoes. Perhaps we are missing the connection here about how important a role potato plays in the prevention of the bank robbery. So what now? Who is responsible? Who will take the responsibility, as the money belongs to the people of Pakistan? With no answers being provided and the non-serious attitude, the security officials are simply wasting time. But they are unwilling to waste any more time of their own. When we asked them if perhaps anyone from Phoenix could have been involved in this unfortunate incident, they showed us the door. One can only wish that they have been this keen and efficient in keeping the robbers at Allied Bank at a bay as well.
Talk to our technical people who are...
Sir, nobody, that's what I'm trying to tell you, that nobody from your technical department...
Why should I take your time or you take...
No, sir, I'm not wasting your time, but...
Instead of keep...
Sir, you should be answerable to the public, because that was the money of the investors, about the people who had confidence.
We have nothing to do with that. We have nothing
Conference, and he has given a clear... Sir, you leave us with no...
If it was my subject, I would have...
Sir, it's a very big office, and I'm sure somebody would have been here.
Trying to get the appropriate answers, we were asked to leave. When we asked the largest security company of Pakistan about the ABL robbery case, Phoenix Security Services had installed alarms at the ABL branch and its wall, but still continues with its non-serious attitude. They have started already the blame game by pointing fingers to Taliban and people in Fata, but have yet accepted their security lapse. With the head office right in front of the ABIL branch, they have still failed to monitor the situation, leaving all banks without any options on the mercy of the security guards. This is Ahmed Jung reporting for Dawn News, Karachi.